What's good, fam? It's been a minute since I've been out here. My first ride, my first video. I've been out. So I've been out for 7 months with my wrist. I fractured it. And it's kind of a weird area where I fractured it at, like right here. So it took long to heal. It's still sore right now. And I still can't even wheelie. Isn't that crazy? So if you guys like this video, I'm gonna do a learning how to wheelie videos. Because I don't know how to wheelie. Whip it, Terry, whip it! Ah! Damn, it's all cooked. Let's see if I could, let's see if I could still jump. Oh, beast! That's a fun jump right there. That's fun too. Right up. Oh shit! I need to go more faster, but I don't want to like overdo it. Skirt! Skirt, skirt! Almost did. Almost dropped my DVI, man. So right here, I gotta be careful with a lot of squirrels. A lot of squirrels pass by, like they're playing a game or something. There's one. It's just weird how I have an action camera on my helmet. That's pretty weird, fam. That's pretty weird, chat. That's pretty weird, chat. That's weird, chat. Come on, chat. Damn. There's the popo. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. What should I do? Should I cross the road or should I not go? They're like ready for me, dog. They're gonna take me down. I don't know what to do, dog. I think this time, yeah, I'm not down for that. I'm gonna turn it around. And my bike is registered for off-roading though. So they get my plates, so they don't want that to happen. Gotta dip. My city's rolled with all these cops. They just like spawn anywhere. Like you just turn right now and you see a cop. That's how it is. That's how it is nowadays. Can't do anything up in this. So I ain't want to get a ticket, dog. But I feel like I could dip. I could go over there, but yeah. And never run, man. That's a felony right there. You don't want to do that. Not worth it. Stop. I can't even run either way. I have a plate in the back. What should I do? They got me on lockdown, fam. My heart is beating, fam. I don't know why. I'm gonna check right here and see if like any cops are here. Cause you never know, you know. So like, I can see from a distance if any cops are over here. I think I'm in a dead end. Reverse, Terry. Reverse. So that was a fail. And I wanted to go that way too, past the cops, but I'm too scared, you know what I'm saying? Man, what should I even do, fam? Like, I'm about the cops over there, especially those motorcycle cops. It's kind of crazy how cops are all anal about these bikes. You know, I can understand if it's like gas. It makes a lot of noise, but these are quiet. They're not even disturbing anyone. But I understand, you know, riding on the streets. Thought a cop was gonna be right there. Thought that was a po-po right there. Or maybe it is, I can't tell. If I want to do that. Here is good now. Like, I don't see anyone, any cops. Can't even ride in peace nowadays. I'm gonna check back. So I'm gonna end the video right here, fam. Like and subscribe, and I'll be out. Deuces. Gotta check if there's any po-po. Gotta check.